Hey sis, in this video I will show how to make this beautiful dress with V neckline at the back for 5 years old girl. It is inspired by the video at the center. Please keep watching. I'm Agnes. Welcome to my channel, Sew with Agnes. This is Chantilly lace. I love it because it's so soft. It's 3 yards and it comes in 60 inches in length, and the lining is Italian satin. It's 2.5 inches. Then I have the net, which is 1 yard, and it's not too hard. So let's start. I'll use the satin to mark. This is the front and this is the back. We'll cut the bodies first. So our bust is 27 inches. 27 divided by 4. I have 6 3/4. On the back, I mark the 1 inch for zipper. Then I have the starting line. So I'll cut them alongside. So let's start. Our shoulder is 12, half of it is 6 inches. Then the armhole depth is 6 inches as well. Half of the shoulder is the armhole. Then I'll mark the 6 inches and I'll draw the line like so. Then I'll mark the same for the back panel. All the measurements for the back panel will start from the zipper allowance. So I'll mark the same 6 inches. You'll come down by ½ inch for shoulder slant. Then our neck width is 3 inches and I'll connect the shoulder slant. Neck width for the back and the front is the same. So the neck depth for the back, for the front, for the front is 3 inches as well. I mark 2.5. So by the time we sew, it will be 3 inches. So for the back is a V neckline. So I mark 7 inches. I'm just trying to check the half length. So the half length is 9 inches plus 1.5. That is 10.5. So I'm just trying to confirm it. You always add 1.5 to the half length. So I'll mark the 7 inches for the V neckline and I'll connect it like this. I have to go over it again so that I will slant it. Should be a bit slanted. It's not straight. So I mark the bust, a chest. The girl, she have chest. The chest. So I mark 7 inches. I mark the same 7 inches. So for the waist also I made it 7 inches. So to be on the safer side. So I'm just trying to confirm. Then I'll draw the line, I will join them together. For the back, is trying to mark the half length plus the 1.5 inches. Now not make mistake. The back I always go by 1 inch. You know now for the zipper not to bulge. Then I will slant it like this. The armhole curve. We have to make the armhole curve. I find the midpoint and for the front I go in by ½ inch and I connect like this. Then the back the same, but I didn't go in by ½ inch for the back. So cut now. So look close how I cut the back. I went in by the 1 inch to the zipper area, then I cut up. After cutting, this I'm cutting the 1 inch. I use it to cut the lace. So this is how it's looking now. So I wanted to join the neckline, then I realized that I need to cut another lining. So I have two lining now. So the one will serve in line with the lace, then I open the back neckline, the back zipper area. So with the two lining, the one will serve as the main fabric for the lace. Then I have this other one, which is the lining. I will sew 1/2 inch and top stitch for the back panel and the front panel as well. So the back I'll place like this. Mhm. Then I'll place the lining as well. Then I'll mark sew 1/2 inch, then I'll top stitch. So after top stitching, that this is how it looks. I'll put them together again, pin, then I will sew close the sides and the bottom for both of them, the back panel and the front panel. I'll pin this as well. Also 1/2 inch. So after sewing, this is how they are looking now. See the V neckline at the back. So I will join the shoulders now. Pin I will sew 1/2 inch. So this is it. I've ironed them neatly. So to join the sides, I'll mark the chest line, the chest measurement again. So what happened here is I didn't add the 1 inch. I should have added 1 inch for sewing allowance. So I only have just 1/2 inch remaining. There is no enough allowance. So please, when you are making yours, if you want to make it, always add allowance, or any other clothes you want to make, always add enough allowance. You can see just 1/2 inch. The mistake, I will join the zipper area. Even the zipper area, I only have 3/4 inches instead of the one. So I mark it down, then I will join the sides and the zipper. This is it. So for the sleeves, I'll make puff sleeve. I think that is what it's on the style. So I've cut it out. I have 11.5 inches on the armhole. So I double it. So I have 23 inches unfold. That is for the two sleeves. I will gather it with elastic like this, showing the edges round. The round sleeve is 10 inches, so I reduce it by 2 inches. So I have 8 inches for the elastic. Then I will sew it for both of them. So after sewing, this is how it looks, beautiful. So I will join it to the armhole now. I pinned it. I should have gathered the sleeve at the top, but I didn't gather it. So I fold as I pin. I fold as I pin, or adjust it like this. So I fold as I pin, mark the top so that I will not make mistake. I fold as I pin so that it will fit the armhole. So after sewing, you will see the puffiness of the sleeve. I fold as I pin. I did the same for this. The skirt part is flared, so I have 30 inches for the full length, then 9 inches for the half length. So I'll subtract 9 from 30. I have 21 plus 1 inch, 22 inches. Our waist is 25 inches, so I added 5 inches. So I have 30 divided by 3.142 because it's an half circle. So I have 9.5 inches. So I make it 10. So 10 plus the 22 inches, I have 32. So that is what I'm marking now. 32 inches. I fold. I'm just trying to mark. I should have 32 inches. That is the radius plus the length. So it's not enough, so I'm marking it again, refolding it. So I refolded this. Try to make sure. So the radius is 10 inches, then the length is 22 inches. That's what I'm marking. For the radius, I'll go by half inch. So I'll cut at the end of the marking on that half inch. So this is the length of 22 inches. Then I'll mark to the 9.5 inches instead of the 10 inches. So I'll cut the same for the lining. This is it, the lining and the main fabric. So for the net, I mark 7 inches apart. I have 21 inches, so I have 7 inches apart. So this is it. Then I have this other lining. I mark 7 inches again to sew on that line. 7 inches apart again on the lining. So I gather the net on the lining, then I hem the bottom of this, and I hem this other one at the bottom. So we'll join everything now. This is the bodies, the sleeve is ready. This is the bottom, the skirt area. I've sewn the sides and the top. This is the other lining that has the net. So I'll place the bodies on the main skirt, right sides facing each other. I will sew half in. This is it. I've also turned the lining that has the net on it to cover the seam. So I'll mark the 3/4 inches that I have on the zipper area at the bodies. So I'll mark it right through. It should be equal. So I mark 3/4 inches, then I'll sew. After sewing, this is it, the inside. So neatly done. This is the lace, the lining, and the net lining. So I have 3 lining. This is it. This is the back. Thank you for watching. I see you in the next one. Bye bye.